In front of me is XIAOMI 11T, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now you need to type Magic Fluids and download. This free app from this developer. Then click on Open. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. After that, click on I accept in the pop-up and adjust your wallpaper however you wish to. Then click at the top right corner and bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I click Home button, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!